Ants totally love sneaking into your house when you leave sugary pet treats out, and trust me, it's a nightmare trying to keep them away without turning your home into an ant battlefield. So first off, always stash those pet treats in airtight containers, like ones with tight lids that ants just can't crack. If you're buying treats in bulk, split them up into smaller containers so you're not exposing all of it every time you open the package. Wipe down the storage area regularly to get rid of any stray crumbs or sticky spots, because ants are like tiny detectives following crumbs. When you give your pet a treat, try not to leave any leftovers lying around. Clean it up quick. Also, don't forget to check for cracks or holes near where you store the treats, because ants will squeeze through anything tiny if there's food on the other side. You can sprinkle some natural deterrents like cinnamon or vinegar near entry points. Ants hate that smell. And if you catch ants already inside, a mix of water and dish soap sprayed on the trail can mess with their scent and stop more from following. Keeping your pet's feeding area clean and dry is key, since ants are less interested if there's no moisture or crumbs hanging around. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ant infestations around sugary pet treats is leaving the packaging open or loosely closed, which basically invites ants in for a feast. The fix? Get airtight containers and seal everything tight. Another common problem is ignoring tiny cracks or gaps in cupboards or walls where ants sneak through. Sealing these with caulk or weather stripping can shut their highway down. Lastly, many folks forget to clean up crumbs or spills immediately. Ants don't just appear out of nowhere, they follow scent trails, so wiping down surfaces right after feeding your pet can save you a lot of headaches. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors super easy for homeowners who want reliable pros to tackle their pest control or home improvement projects without stress. Plus, contractors get connected with real customers looking for their services, making it a win-win for everyone trying to keep homes ant-free and well-maintained.